In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to do a single crochet decrease. If you see your pattern that says to single crochet 2 stitches together or do a single crochet decrease, what that means is you're going to work 2 single crochets together to decrease the row by 1 stitch. So, or as many times as it tells you to do so. So if your pattern says sc, the number 2, tog, that just means single crochet 2 together. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that. So you're going to insert your hook into this next stitch, pull up a loop, you'll have 2 loops, and then instead of finishing the stitch off, go ahead and insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, you will have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So we just went ahead and single crocheted 2 stitches together. That is our single crochet decrease. Let me show you that again. Insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, you'll have 2 loops, insert your hook into the next stitch right next to it, pull up a loop, you then have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull that through all 3 loops. Okay, let me show you that again. Insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next stitch next to that one, pull up a loop, and you have these 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that is how you do the sc2tog or single crochet 2 stitches together. I hope that you found the tutorial helpful today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I hope that you will subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you, and bye-bye.